And it's me, Mrs. Bill, remember? From art class at Mishawaka High School. I am making this video to reach out to those kids who are falling behind in their classwork, and just a reminder that I'm here for you. You can reach me through email at billa@mishawaka.k12.in.us, you know the rest. And I wanted to give those kids a heads up who haven't done anything. I've got a handful of those, and that's okay. This is stressful. I haven't done anything in a couple of weeks because I had surgery on my hip. This is the freshest that you're gonna get from me. So in Canvas, oh, I remember Canvas. Remember? We didn't get to use it too much in class, but we did. All you gotta do is click on modules, right? It looks like this. Oh, it's kind of hard to see. And then you go into, it says like makeup work for sketches. And there's 12 sketch assignments in there. Super easy, like draw a cartoon. You could draw SpongeBob. I even put a little picture of SpongeBob in there for you to do. You don't have to draw SpongeBob. You can draw Rick and Morty, whatever. I don't care. You could draw My Little Pony. Anything you want, just to get credit. So there are a bunch of different images in this assignment list, and that are step by step for you to do to help you get ahead or anywhere. And you can draw them all on one page, all 12, and that's 12 represents the 12 days that you would have been in class, in my class, since we do block scheduling. One thing to point out though is if you've done a couple of my assignments for e-learning in modules, then you can use those couple assignments, and say you did 2 of them, then you only have to draw, oh crap, math, 10. Oh, that was embarrassing. It's been a while since I've had to think. I've just been watching TV 12 hours a day. This is the most I've sat up in a while. I've got robots on here and unicorns, something fun. Dinosaurs are on there too, and that's not really my MO. I'm not a dinosaur fan. I hope that everything is going well on your end. You can take a picture of your artwork by holding it in front of your Chromebook camera and snapping a picture. It doesn't have to be a high quality photo. You, like I said, can draw all 12 or however many you need to do to make credit on one page and send it to me that way. You can mail it to the high school for, I don't know if you have postage. Anything to get you credit, all right? Please reach out to me through email or message on Canvas if you need any help at all. I'm not here to make your life stressful. I'm here to help you get that credit that you need. Take care, everybody.